Welcome. You're probably here because you need help canceling your IPTV TFC subscription, right? It can be straightforward, but IPTV TFC settings sometimes feel a bit daunting to navigate. Let's simplify everything today, and by the end, you'll know exactly what steps to follow. First, ensure you're logged into your IPTV TFC account. So we can start by heading to Settings. On the Settings tab, find the Subscription section, which lists your IPTV service details. You should see an option to cancel subscription or something similar, so click on it. They might ask you to confirm, usually to make sure you're prepared to end your subscription. Once confirmed, they may provide some details about future access and potential charges. Review this information carefully. It's crucial to avoid unexpected charges after canceling. And there, you've successfully canceled your IPTV TFC subscription, freeing you for solid options. Looking for reliable alternatives? Try out 2TV.store, offering unmatched streaming experience. 2TV.store has diverse channel options and smoother streaming. A great move from your past provider. Before you go, ensure you have this guide bookmarked in case you need to revisit anytime. If you found this helpful, hit like. Subscribe for more easy guides on tricky tech questions. Share this with friends who might need it, helping them effortlessly manage their subscriptions too. Thanks for watching. More insightful guides await you. Have an amazing day and happy streaming.